Hello everyone, I'm Kelly and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna use all clean beauty products to create this fresh and natural clean makeup look. Let's get started. First thing first, skincare is key to any makeup look. I'm starting with the Merit Gray Skin Instant Glow Serum. This one has a very watery texture, so lightweight and not greasy at all. It absorbs pretty fast and it leaves my skin so plump, hydrating, and ready for the next step. The one I'm gonna use next is the Merit Gray Skin Priming Moisturizer. This moisturizer can be used as a makeup primer as the brand claims. It has a thick consistency, but easy to blend out and make my skin feel very silky and smooth afterwards. If you have oily skin, you may only use the serum and skip this as its finish is quite glowy, but I really enjoy the glow on my combo skin. I just use both. For the complexion, I'm gonna use the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick, also from Merit. I'm in shade Linen, and it's my perfect match. On the website said this is not a foundation or a concealer, but it replaces both in your makeup bag. And I can tell you that's true. I'm applying it just like how I apply my concealer. Then I use their blending brush to blend it out. I don't wear foundation a lot these days, so I just cover where I have discolorations and imperfections. This stick has a light to medium coverage, super lightweight, creamy, and hydrating for a stick formula. It blends effortlessly and beautifully into my skin. I'm very impressed with this one. It's also buildable, so I'm gonna build up a little bit more coverage on my under eye areas. I've used this a few times and I have to say it worked pretty well as under eye concealer. Very hydrating, the creasing is minimal even though I didn't set it with powder. If you're a makeup minimalist and love natural makeup, I think you're gonna love this one. For brows, I'm gonna use the Kosas Brow Pop Nano Ultra Fine Detailing and Feathering Eyebrow Pencil. Look at its tiny tip. This is the tiniest and most precise pencil in my brow pencil collection. I love how the ultra fine tip helps me create hairline strokes to easily fill in my brows for a very natural look. The formula is very nice and soft, and the color is just spot on. It also lasts all day on my skin. Now I'm gonna follow up with the Tower 28 Heat Waves Mascara. This mascara has a nice curved one that's really helpful to get in there and separate my lashes. It doesn't flake or smudge on me. It's a good mascara, but I wish this had a waterproof version because my Asian lashes always need a waterproof formula to stay curled all day long. If your lashes don't have problems like mine, you may really enjoy this one. Moving to bronzer, I'm using the NUDESTIX Nudies Matte Cream Bronzer in shade Terracotta 10. I'm gonna put some product on the back of my hand and use a dense brush to soften it out and also make the product evenly distribute onto the brush for an easy and effortless application. Then I just gently tap it onto my face. This formula is so buttery and it blends out like a dream. As I'm creating a clean makeup look, I just keep this bronzer very soft and subtle like that. Next, I have the BeachPlease Lip and Cheek Cream Blush from Tower 28 in shade After Hours, which is described as a sun-kissed berry color. It might look a bit too dark for my skin tone, but actually it doesn't when I use the right amount of product. I'm gonna use the same technique I did with the bronzer because it's the best way to apply cream products. It helps break down the product and control the amount of product I put on. I'd rather build up the intensity than put on too much and have it removed. As you can see now, the blush is more diffused and just look like I'm blushing. The Tower 28 blush is very popular for a reason. It's not only beautiful but also beginner friendly. You can blend it out with a brush or just your fingertips. Now I'm gonna use a cream highlighter stick from NUDESTIX in shade Bubbly Bebe to enhance the glow of my face. I'm applying it with my fingertip as is my preferred way to apply this kind of highlighter. You can also use a wet brush to apply. This highlighter is very subtle, not an eye-blinding highlighter, but it gives my skin a very healthy glow, which is exactly what I look for to achieve a fresh and clean look. Finally, I'm gonna finish up this makeup look with the viral lip butter balm from Summer Fridays in shade Cherry. This formula is buttery smooth and it gives a great shine without the stickiness of a gloss. My lips feel very hydrating and nourishing while wearing it. This color is so stunning and does last a bit longer than other tinted lip balms. And that's how I create this clean makeup look using all clean products. Thank Merit for sending me their products to try out, along with their signature bag, which you can get for free with your first order. If you're interested in Merit products, you can find the link to their website in the description box below, as well as everything else I use in the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!